ખબર નથી જોઈને કહું શેનો જ છે
તારો કોર્સ આગળ ચાલે છો મારા કરતા.
ખબર છે
ખાસું એક બે લેક્ચર આગળ ચાલે છે.
ચારીમાં તો બહુ જ આગળ છે ચારીમાં બહુ જ આગળ છે
ટેટ્રાઈ કે ચાલો.
હું એને ચારી કહું મારે ગુજરાતી બોલવું જ
જો
આપણું
કે
હવે
તું એવું કેમ
આજે
કર્યું કે
નક્કી
નિર્મામ
બ્રીજ થઈ
નથી
જશે.
એવું.
મને નહીં ગમતા ભાઈ એના સ્ટુડન્ટ હાવ વાહિયાત છે ને ટીચરે વાહિયાત લાગે બીજા બધા સારા છે પણ 3-4 છે વાહિયાત
તો ટીચર તો જો દર સેમિસ્ટર બદલાતા રહેશે મોટા ભાગે.
પેલો બગાડવાનું મારે સ્ટુડન્ટ નું શું કરવાનું મારે
સ્ટુડન્ટ પછી ડેવલપ થાય ધીમે ધીમે.
પ્રોસેસર જ કરેલું છે ઓવરક્લોકિંગ નોટ અલાઉડ
અરે હાલ થ્રોટલ થાય છે ભાઈ.
અંડર વોલ્ટિંગ કરેલું છે
વિચારતો તો હું અંડરવુડ કરવાનું 80 જાય છે વેલોરન્ટમાં વધારે નથી જતું.
સારું જ કહેવાય વધારે
સારું
ના
જ
કરે
કહેવાય પણ પેલા 70 જતું હતું.
આ એ એની લાઈ ધીમે ધીમે 90 જવા માંડ્યું છે ધીમે ધીમે જ ખબર પડશે કે સાચું ટેમ્પરેચર શું છે
હા કઈ ફરક નથી ટેમ્પરેચર વાઇઝ પરફોર્મન્સ વાઇઝ મારે રેમ હવે નાખવું પછી ખબર. કેટલા દિવસ કરે એ ફ્રાઈડે નું અમદાવાદમાં આવી ગઈ છે બરોબર છે હજી સુધી નથી આપી મને કાલે આવશે એવું બતાવ્યું.
Good afternoon, students.
આ દેવ હમણાં કઈક બોલતો હતો શું બોલતો હતો
ગુડ
કઈ
Good
નહીં.
afternoon.
આફ્ટરનૂન સર.
તું કઈક આપણે કરીને તે બોલવાનું ચાલુ કર્યું
Hope I'm audible to
અરે એ
everyone.
તો હું કહેતો હતો મારે એનઆઈટી સુરત કલા આજે ફ્રીઝ કરી દઈશ.
Yes, sir.
યસ સર ગજબ
Okay, thank you very much.
તે તો પેલું કર્યું હતું ને
So,
સ્લાઇડ
let us start
હમ.
the theory.
સરસ બે આ કે તારે પ્રીમ ફાઇનલ મારે કહેવાનું છે અમને એવું હોય ભાઈ કહેવાનું હોય પહેલેથી
કશું ના હોય એવું ગાડો થયો છે.
I think now screen is
હું તો
visible
ફિનિક્સ
to
કહી દઉં
everyone.
છું કરો જ જે કરવું હોય ભેજ
Okay.
પથારી
Yes,
ફેરવી
sir.
ના મૂકું ને જગ્યા
Let me recall the theory which we discussed in the previous lecture.
જોવો છે કોઈને
Fine. I
ટેટ્રાઈ નો
think
લેક્ચર.
we discussed about the conversion
મેં
of
આ
star
હવારે
and
જ
delta
જોયું
and from delta
નામાં
to
જ જવાનું
star.
સારું થયું તું બોલ્યો ચલો જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ
And their equations we derived. Now today,
શું કરો છો
based on this
CS?
both the side convergence
હા
from either
ભાઈ
star to
કોણ
delta and
લેપટોપ
delta
તો
to star.
અડતો જ નહીં ને અડવું
Let's
જ
have an
થઈ જાય.
example.
હદ થઈ
That
ગઈ.
example we are going to solve, and this example is the best for the utilization of conversion of star to delta and delta to star. Fine.
એ કરું
So
પિક્ચર જોવું
let us
series
start
જોવું,
the
બસ
example.
પડી રહેવાનું આખો
You
દિવસ.
can also draw the
બેલાસીઓ જોયું
network,
બેલા
હમ.
fine, in your notebook.
સત્તાધાર જ
So I am
છે
drawing here.
ના
પ્રોફેસરે
નહીં
મળશે
જોવું હો.
ત્યાં.
ના નહીં જોવું.
So one register is there.
આજે હું
પ્રોફેસર
સ્પેશિયલ બાજુ
એનો
હતો
કેવો
તો
હશે
મારે
પાછો?
સીધા આવવાનું હોય
Register.
પણ એ બાજુ જઈને ખાસા ટાઈમથી ફોટો પાડ્યો હતો પણ રહી જતો.
Please draw this diagram in your notebook also. And parallelly you have to solve.
સ્કેર લેવાનું કહેશે
in your
અને
notebook.
ઓમેન સુધી અપાવતા હશે ને તો લીજિયન 5 જ લઈશ. જો ત્યાં સુધી ના અપાવો તો જોવું પડશે કયું લેવું પછી.
હા લઈ લે હું તો સારું છે.
એ તો આમ ભાઈ ના પાડત મારો ભાઈ ના પાડત મને તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં.
ખરાબ કંપની નહીં
પણ
એ
કોઈ જ પ્રોબ્લેમ હા ખરાબ છે લેપટોપ માટે પણ પ્રીડેટર માટે નથી એમ.
સારા
એ
જોઈએ છે
સારું
એસર
છે.
લેપટોપ અહીંયા ઇન્ડિયામાં નથી ચાલતું બાકી ચાલે છે એસર નથી. ઇન્ડિયામાં જો લોકોને છે ને એચપી ડેલ જ ખબર હોય છે આ બધી કઈ ને સર્વિસીસ ખબર જ ના હોય MSI
Fine. Now let me give the notations. A,
એમને લાગે નવી જ બ્રાન્ડ છે
C,
MSI તો મેં મારા પપ્પા કીધું તો કઈ મેં કીધું નીરવ નું લેપટોપ છે
now
ને
I'll give you the
મારા ભાઈ નું
values of resistances. This is 5 ohm resistance,
નથી જ ખબર ખાલી
Here
HP
it
ડેલ જ ખબર હોય બધાને
3.25 ohm. This is
Dino
5 ohm
ખબર.
resistance.
મારા
it is
ભાઈને
also
આ બધી ખબર પ્રિડેટર ઓમેન એ
5
બધા
ohm.
ના પાડે
જૂના પ્રેડેટર માં
તો
પ્રોબ્લેમ
ના જ
હતો
પાડે
એ તો છે થોડા નાના
2.5
એટલે જ ના
ohm.
પાડે એ જોયેલું છે એને એના ભાઈબંધો જોડે હતા ને બધા જોડે
એ તો મારો ભાઈ એ
ખબર છે.
વખતે એ જ કહેતો હતો કે
So here
problem
the question
આવતા
is asked, find
પણ એ તો હું તો એવું માનું કે જો આવાના
The
કોઈ HP માં એ આવે ડેલ માં જાઓ
equivalent
આ ટોપર નથી જોતા આપણે
એ જ ને
resistance
કઈ ફરક
પણ એ
નથી
વધારે આવે છે એની કરતા
between A
તાર
and
ટેમ્સ
B.
ની બહુ ચિંતા ના હોય ને તો MSI વાળું પણ લેવાય
Okay. So
કીબોર્ડ
here
અને એમાં મેન
we
ને
have
પેલી
to
છે યાર
find
SSD
out the
નખાઈને
resistance
જો
between
તારા
terminal
એટલા
A and B.
થવાના હોય
So these are the two
એકના
terminals.
નજીક તો પહોંચે 95
Now
જેવું તો પહોંચી જ જાય
here
હા,
we know that
predator ના
SSD
લે
one
તો
resistance is
10,000
directly
ની
connected
5,000
between
ની આવે
terminal A and B, that is 5 ohm, and rest of the
4700
network
4700 exact
which we need to solve, and there will be a parallel branch
ખબર નહીં પણ હવે
between A
ઈચ્છા
and B
ઓછી થાય છે
parallel to 5 ohm
i5
will
છે
be
મને હવે એમ થાય i7
fine.
લેવું
So here in this
નથી જરૂર
network,
મેં મારું i7
first
નો
of all,
બદલ મારા ભાઈ
there are two
મારા
જેમ જેમ
triangles.
દિવસો
There are
વધારે
two
જાય છે ને
delta
એમ
we
એમ
can say,
બધું નવું
A,
નવું
B,
દેખાય
C, and the second one is D, E, F. Am I right?
તાર કઈ ફરક નહીં પડે ગેમમાં તો કોઈ જ ફરક નહીં
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
i5 અને
here
i7
એમ ઠીક
there
છે
are two delta. So
કામ કરવામાં જોવાનું
looking at
છે
the figure,
એવું તો
ભાઈ
ચાલે
ચાલે
જશે
મારું ભાઈ કોડ કોડ
would
જ
it be
વાપરતો
possible to
હતો
solve the outer delta
i7 કોડ કોડ
first, or we can say inner delta first?
મેં તો આ
Which could be
સ્ક્રીન ના ટીચિંગ
inner
ને
delta.
બધું જોઈને
Inner delta.
Okay, fine.
Inner
So
delta.
here in this case, let us draw the diagram. So in examination, if it is asked, you have to draw that inner diagram first. Okay. So inner delta is, sorry. Yeah, I just would like to close this. Okay. So
તમારે
inner
જુઓ
delta,
લેક્ચર
ના કોઈ જ ઈચ્છા
okay,
નહીં
I'll make it very little small. Okay. Now what is
મને તો
inner delta
lecture
here?
નતો તો કંટાળી
DEF.
જતો હતો ભાઈ
Fine.
કઈ
So
કરવા
I'll
માટે
make
આવતું જ નહીં.
DEF here, and then this DEF delta will be converted into star. Okay. Fine.
ગેમ
So
ખબર નહીં
હું
ઈચ્છા જ
અત્યારે
નહીં
એમને
થતી હવે
કંટાળી જ રહ્યો છું
જોઈ
કંટાળો આવે છે
રમવાનું કઈ મજા નહીં.
D.
ભાઈ મારા જોડે જોડે રમે ઠીક મારે ગેમ રમવા મને કંટાળો આવે છે એકની એક રમી
તું એ તોરણથી તું મારા ઘરે આવી જવાનું
Okay.
ઈચ્છા થાય
So
ત્યારે રમવા દે
DEF. What is the value of
ભાઈ રોજ
resistance
રોજ
here?
થોડી
It is
આવે તો રોજ
1.5
ઈચ્છા
ohm,
થાય
તો રોજ આવવાનું એમાં
Here
શું
it is.
વાંધો છે નવરોજ બેઠો છે
2.5
મને
ohm,
બોલે ને
and here it
એમાં
is
શું
તે ના
બોલે
આવે
1 ohm.
હાસ તો
Now we are converting this.
મળવા
Yes.
જવું છું ફ્રેન્ડ ને એવું કેવાનું
Anyone is
Sir?
asking? Yes.
आपने उल्टा लिखा है
Just a minute. Okay, sorry. D is here, I think. Fine. D is here, and E is here, and F is
સારું
here.
ભણો તમે
Is it okay now?
સારું
Let us
Yes, sir.
let us check the
Mm.
okay, DEF. Fine. Okay. Okay. Now we are converting this DEF into star. So F point will be there. Fine. Okay. So this is a star. Okay. Here it will be D, and here it will be. Okay. So can we write the notation here? ये क्या होगा डेल्टा में R
D.
R D E. Fine. Is equal to 1 ohm, and here it is R E F. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? That is RF, RD, if we use a small notation, you just use the small letter, fine. And here is R. Okay, so let us find out all these three RD, RF, and RE. So first of all, let us start with RD. RD is equal to तो यहाँ पे आप एक फिक्टिशियस ड्रॉ कर, आपको एग्जाम में ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, ये मैं अभी आपको समझाने के लिए कर रहा हूँ, फाइन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम क्या फाइंड कर रहे हैं अभी राइट नाउ? RD. सो RD इज हियर, फाइन. सो RD फाइंड करने के लिए मैंने आपको शॉर्टकट दिखाया था लास्ट टाइम, RDF इंटू RDE, फाइन. तो कितना होगा? 1.5 इंटू 1 अपॉन 1.5 plus 1 plus 2.5. So what is the answer here? Please find it out. This is 1.5 and 1.5 upon 2 plus 1, 3, 4 and 5. So what would be the answer here? It is 15 by 5, so 0.3 ohm. Correct? Similarly, we can find RE. So RE can be calculated as, so the denominator will be same. What is the value in the numerator here? RE. So RE is here.
0.5.
Fine. So ऊपर क्या आएगा? 1. ये जो अपने लाइन ड्रॉ किया और जो स्टार का लाइन है आपका, उसके
2.5 into
हाँ
1.
एडजेसेंट जो रेजिस्टेंस है
2.5.
1 into 2.5. क्लियर? तो ये इसके इस तरफ 1 है और इस तरफ 2.5 है, so it will be 1 into 2.5. So answer is 2.5 upon 5.
Half.
So answer is what?
0.5.
0.5 ohms.
Point
Are you with
five.
me, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far?
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far regarding this? Any question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Then
No, sir.
RF. चलो RF में कौन बताएगा मुझे आंसर? RF. So RF will be here.
0.75.
0.5
First-
upon
0.75.
First of all, let me write the value. So 1.5 into 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, 1.5 into 2.5 upon 1.5 plus 1 plus 2.5. So how much it is? 1.5 into 2.5?
0.7.
0.75.
By 5.
No, it is 0.75. Simple. All calculation. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So use the calculator if required. Okay. So we calculated all these values. So RF कितना आया अभी? RD is 0.3. So this is 0.3 ohm. और RE अभी कितना हो गया? 0.5. So this is 0.5 ohm. And the third one is 0.75. So this is 0.75. Okay. So what exactly we are doing here? We are just converting this delta into star. The points remain same, D, E, and F. Okay, fine. Now, what exactly we are going to do here? So your final star between A, B, C. Fine. Final star between A, B, and C. So let us draw the diagram. This is a point C here. Fine. The value of this resistor is 3.25 ohm. So we'll draw this diagram on the next page. Sorry, page आ गया. Okay, so I will continue here this diagram. Okay, यहाँ पर C है, then ये F आ गया आपका, and आपने एक स्टार को सॉल्व किया. So I will use the red color here. Okay, and there will be you continue registers. Fine. So यहाँ पे क्या था E, ये वाला point आपका D था, and there is a one continuation resistance here, and the value is 4.5 ohm. Similarly here also, you can even cross verify with the 4.75, and यहाँ पे आपका टर्मिनल A हो गया, और यहाँ पे कौन सा टर्मिनल था, दैट इज B. तो ABC के बीच में आपने जो डेल्टा था वो डेल्टा को आपने स्टार में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. फाइन. सो ये स्टार में आपने जो कन्वर्ट किया, so we will use the same values what we found before. So 0.5, 0.75 and 0.3. So we'll write it here, 0.5, 0.75 and here it is 0.3 ohm. All of you, are you with me right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So simply we are solving this star right now, inner star. Fine. And still there is outer delta is also required to be solved, 555 ohm. Fine. We are not touching right now this part. Okay. So can we reduce this diagram? Yes. And what is the value here? Just we forgot to write. The value here is 3.25. So this is 3.25. 3.25. Is it okay? Okay. So here these two resistors are in series. Fine. 3.25 ohm and 0.75 ohm. Okay. So कितना होगा ये total? Total 4 ohm हो जाएगा.
4 ohm.
So let us again reduce the circuit. ये कितना हो गया आपका 4 ohm. Fine. And similarly we can find the remaining resistors also. तो ये आपका A टर्मिनल हो गया. This is C and here it is B. What is the value here? कितना आएगा इधर वैल्यू?
5.
505.
0.5 and 4.5. So it is 5 ohm. And here it will be 5.05.
5.
Okay.
5.05.
Okay. So we have solved the inner delta into star. Okay. So now here in this figure, again we are going to connect the external delta and then we are going to solve this again. Right? So I'm going to use that final figure with the another color. Say for an example, I can use the red one here also. Okay. So what is the value here in between these two? Sorry.
So 5.
5.
So it is 5.
5.
Fine. इस दोनों के बीच में भी 5. Fine. And similarly, here also it is 5 ohm. Okay. Okay. This is the diagram we received after converting from delta to star. Okay. Now here, the next step is what? Either to convert from delta to star, because ultimately we are planning to find out the resistance between A and B. Fine. So हमें ये solve करना है ऊपर वाला portion पूरा. So यहाँ पर आपको either you can convert the star into delta, or you can convert this delta into star. Which one is the preferable? In this diagram, which one is the
Delta to star.
okay?
Delta to star.
आपने डेल्टा टू स्टार में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. चलो तो क्या होगा, कौन बताएगा?
सर
हम्म
सर स्टार टू डेल्टा इज मोर
स्टार टू डेल्टा करेंगे ना सर, कि पैरेलल बन जाएगा, फिर आसान होगा करना.
So looking at the figure and your answer, that suggests that if we go for star एंड स्टार टू डेल्टा, देन वो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका डेल्टा पैरेलल में हो जाएगा पूरा, इज इट? चलो देखते हैं कैसे होता है। जैसे एक मैं फिगर ड्रॉ करता हूँ कि आपका ये एक्सटर्नल, दिस इज ए, बी एंड सी। सो आपका ये कि रजिस्टर हो गया, दैट इज 5 ओम। एक ये रजिस्टर हो गया 5 ओम, और ये की रजिस्टर हो गया 5 ओम, फाइन। एंड व्हाट अबाउट द सेकेंड ट्राइंगल? जैसे आपने ये 4 ओम, 5 ओम एंड 5 ओम वाला जो रजिस्टर का आपका स्टार है, उसको आप कहाँ कन्वर्ट करेंगे? डेल्टा में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फाइन। चलो तो अभी पहले ये देखते हैं कि हमें ये अभी नहीं करना है। चलो इसको निकाल दो, स्टार को हम डेल्टा में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं। चलो फटाफट, फाइन। हमारा स्टार कौन सा है यहाँ पर? ABC, फाइन। तो डेल्टा में मुझे मिलेगा यहाँ पे RAB, उसका वैल्यू मिलेगा, RCA का वैल्यू मिलेगा, एंड यहाँ पे RBC का वैल्यू मिलेगा। चलो फटाफट कैलकुलेट करते हैं। फाइन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो दैट RA, we know RB, and we know RC. Fine. So RA, RB and RC are known. Okay. So first of all कौन सा फाइंड करेंगे हम? चलो कौन बताएगा? RA, RB, हाँ, से RAB फाइंड करना है। फाइन। सो देर आर टू रजिस्टर्स come across, one is RA and another is RB. फाइन। तो इक्वेशन क्या लिखेंगे हम? चलो इक्वेशन लिखाओ, पहले इक्वेशन लिखते हैं। कौन सा इक्वेशन आएगा? मुझे डेल्टा से स्टार में कन्वर्ट करना है।
RAB is equal to
RAB is equal to
RA
RA
plus RB
plus RB upon RC.
RA, RB
RB
upon
upon RC.
Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of RA here? 5.05. The value of RB is 5 ohm. Fine. So क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर? RA is 5.05 plus RB is 5 plus 5.05 into 5 upon 4. कितना आंसर आएगा? कैलकुलेट इट फास्ट। सो 5 plus 5
16.36.
16.36 ohm. Similarly, we can find RBC. Fine. So RB plus RC plus RB into RC upon RA. Fine. Please find it out. These are the values. Fine. Find out all these three different parameters and answer accordingly. So RAB is 16.36. And what is the value of RBC?
10.78.
12.96, correct. So if you all are answer no, with the same value, then it could be correct. Then what is RCA? How much?
13.09.
13.09. Okay. So now here we received two different triangles. Okay. One triangle is ABC and another triangle is now with 5 ohm resistors. Fine. So we can reduce the network. So here there are two delta. Fine. So can we draw a figure like this? Because this delta is in parallel with the inner delta, whatever the value we found. So here we can write A, B, and C. E. And what are the values of this ABC? 16.36. So here it is 5 ohm. Here it is 16.36 ohm. Here it is B, 5 ohm. C, 5 ohm. And the value is, please find out the value. The value of RBC is 12.96. So we can write 12.96 here. And similarly here we found 13.09. Okay. So here basically if you look at this diagram, actually, sorry, this one. Okay. So we solved the inner star into delta, and here there are other resistors like this. Fine, delta. So another delta is there like this, right? And this delta is made up of 555 ohm each. Okay. So here you can solve this example like this. Okay. And now these two parallel values, now use the parallel law and find out that equivalent triangle delta. So here we will find three different values. Please find out these three different values. Okay. So what is the value here? कौन बताएगा? ये between A and C. What is the value? 5 ohm parallel to 16 ohm. So there is a rule.
3.82.
So this way we can find the equivalent resistance for parallel circuits. How much?
3.83.
So here it is 3.83. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Yes,
find out
sir.
between B and C. Similarly, find out between B and C.
3.61.
3.6, sir.
0.6.
Okay, 3.6. 3.6 ohm. Okay. And what is the value in between A and B? The value between A and C.
3.61.
3.61.
3.61 ohm. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the question they have asked? The question is that what is the total equivalent resistance between A and B? Fine. तो अभी देखो ये डेल्टा दिख रहा है, but again in this delta there is no adjacent delta. Fine. So we can consider the resistance between A and C and B are connected in series. Fine. So ये और ये दोनों series में हो जाएंगे because now we need to find out the total resistance between terminal A and B. Fine. So here we can write the total resistance or equivalent resistance between terminal A and B is ये वाला पैरेलल में हो जाएगा 3.86 सॉरी सीरीज 3.86 and 3.6. So what is the last figure? The figure looks like this. This is 3.61 ohm between A and B, and here the summation of the different two resistors. Fine. So कितना होगा 3.86 plus 3.6?
सर
7.47.
7.47. ओके.
सर मिस्टेक हुआ है
कहाँ पर?
सर, ये बिटवीन ए एंड बी है 3.61 नहीं सर, 3.86 आया था।
3.86. 3.86.
यस
देख
सर।
ले, देख लेते हैं।
यस सर।
सर वो नेमिंग में दोनों फिगर की नेमिंग में थोड़ा
हाँ
चेंजेस
सर,
हो
ऊपर नीचे चेंजेस हो गया।
कोई इश्यू नहीं है। आप देखो उसमें नंबरिंग से मतलब नहीं रखो आप, जैसे ए बी ऊपर देख लेते हैं, 1 मिनट। ए बी सी, ए, अच्छा बी इधर है, कोई इश्यू नहीं, चलो हम चेंज कर लेते हैं। तो फिर अकॉर्डिंगली आपका वो फाइनल रिजल्ट्स भी चेंज हो जाएगा। फाइन।
सर क्वेश्चन ही चेंज कर दो ना, ए और सी में कर दो।
हाँ, कोई क्वेश्चन में हम चेंज कर लेते हैं इधर। फाइन। ये वाला जो अपना क्वेश्चन है वहां पर हम ये यहाँ पर बी कर देते हैं एंड यहाँ पर सी कर देते हैं। तो अभी आपको फाइंड करना होगा ए एंड सी के बीच में। फाइन। तो फाइनली यू विल रिसीव, सब जगह पर चेंज कर लेते हैं। चलो फाइन, ए बी सी, ई यहाँ पर तो करने की जरूरत नहीं है। यहाँ पे आपका हो जाएगा ये ए बी सी परफेक्ट है, यहाँ पर भी ए बी सी परफेक्ट है, यहाँ पर चेंज करना होगा। सो ये वैल्यूज जो आपने फाइंड करी है अकॉर्डिंगली वो देख लेना है। फाइन। एंड फाइनली आपको ये वैल्यू फिर फाइंड करनी है। फाइन। चलो देख लेना एक बार फिर से सब। चलो इधर से देख लेते हैं। फाइन। दिस वन इज द करेक्ट डी ई एफ। ओके। एंड डी एफ के बाद हमने ये जो डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया, ए बी सी वाला इज ऑल्सो परफेक्ट। फाइन। उसके बाद ये जो हमने फाइंड किया वो भी फाइन परफेक्ट है। ओके। तो यहाँ पर जो हमने वैल्यू फाइंड करी है दैट विल बी, ये कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी हमारी? दैट इज आर सी ए, सॉरी यहाँ पर कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी हमारी? that is C here, this is a B here, so R A B, R B C. Is it okay now?
सर आर ए बी की वैल्यू चेंज होगी ना?
हाँ चेंज होगी। अब देखते हैं आर ए बी का वैल्यू अब कितना होगा। दैट इज 16.36। फाइन। ये जो हमने फाइंड किया है आर ए आर बी, सो आर ए आर बी कितना है हमारा? ये आर ए 5.05 प्लस 5 डिवाइडेड बाय जो हमने किया है वो 5.05 प्लस 5 प्लस 4। ओके। सो ये जो आंसर मिलेगा आपको वो क्या मिलेगा? आर ए बी। फाइन। तो आर ए बी का वैल्यू अभी कितना मिला? 16.36। सो ये 16.36 विल बी योर आंसर हियर। सो इट विल बी 16.36 here. Similarly, here it will be RBC. The answer will be 12.96. So RBC का वैल्यू आएगा 12.96, जो यहाँ पे हमने फाइंड किया है 12.96, फाइन, और 12.9, एंड ये वैल्यू आपका RCA का आएगा आपका 13 point something. Fine. So here we will change, that is 13.09.
13.09.
13.09. Why I am just changing all these parameters and values? Because I am going to send this PDF to you for your understanding. Fine. Okay. So now is it okay?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Okay. So RBC is 12.96. So यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे 12.96. Okay. Okay. Now here the values are going to be changed. Fine. चलो नीचे कितना वैल्यू है? 16.36. देन यहाँ पर 12.96 ओम एंड यहाँ पर 13.09 ओम. इज इट ओके नाउ?
Yes,
एंड
sir.
उसके
एबीसी
बाद
एबीसी को check करना।
हाँ एबीसी भी चेंज कर लेते. चलो, आई एम हैप्पी इफ यू. यस,
सर ये फिगर एक्सप्लेन करोगे आप?
फिर से. अच्छा चलो कर देता हूँ. ये एबीसी हो गया. फाइन. एक बार ये सब पूरा चेंज कर लेते हैं. ये पूरी फिगर हम फिर से ड्रॉ करेंगे. चलो, कोई इशू नहीं. Okay, so you want to know about this figure. Okay, fine. Now यहाँ तक पता चल गया कि ए बी सी के बीच में 5 ओम का हमारा एक्सटर्नल डेल्टा था और हमने इंटरनल स्टार बनाया. वो कैसे बनाया? 4 ओम, 5 ओम एंड 5.05 ओम वाला. तो ये हमने क्या किया, पहले इंटरनल सॉल्व किया और डी एफ के बीच में जो रजिस्टर था वो सब सीरीज में आ गए. तो उसको एडिशन करके ये फाइनल फिगर बनाया हमने. फाइन. नाउ इन दिस फिगर अभी हमने क्या किया, आई विल यूज द ग्रीन पेन हियर. हमने क्या किया कि ये जो स्टार है हमारा, कौन सा, आर ए आर बी आर सी वाला, उसको हमने किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया? डेल्टा में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. जैसे लाइक दिस. तो और 3 रेजिस्टेंस मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे एक मिलेगा, यहाँ पर एक मिलेगा एंड द अनदर विल बी हियर. तो अभी ये यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू मिलेगा मेरे को, यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर, वो पैरेलल में हो जाएंगे 5 ओम के साथ, क्योंकि ए अगेन इट इज इन बिटवीन ए एंड बी एंड सी एंड ए. फाइन. तो ये मुझे पैरेलल में मिल जाएंगे. 2 डेल्टा हो जाएंगे, एक इंटरनल डेल्टा और एक एक्सटर्नल डेल्टा. फाइन. तो इंटरनल डेल्टा जो है वो ग्रीन वाला, वो
सर
हमने
यहाँ पर यदि डेल्टा को स्टार में करते तो क्या होता?
आप कर सकते हो ना, पर देखो करने के बाद आपको यू हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन टर्मिनल ए एंड बी. ओके फाइन. चलो आपने ये मैं एक और कलर येलो वाला यूज करता हूँ. चलो कि ये डेल्टा जो है अपना रेड वाला, उसको मैं स्टार में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ. तो एक स्टार मुझे ऐसे मिल जाएगा. अभी ये स्टार देखो, ये पॉइंट इधर है स्टार का, सॉरी दिस वन, एंड ये पॉइंट इधर है स्टार का. आप उसको पैरेलल करो तो कैसे होगा मुझे बताओ. Is there any possibility to do this kind of activity for this delta and star? हो सकता है क्या?
No, sir.
Fine. So we cannot identify, or we can identify the easiest way to solve this network. Fine. उसे कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करो, उसको इजीली सॉल्व कैसे करें वो फाइंड करना है. तो मुझे भाई यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि मैं अगर डेल्टा को कन्वर्ट कर लूँ तो मुझे, अरे सॉरी, स्टार को डेल्टा में कन्वर्ट कर दूँ तो देन अगेन देयर विल बी पैरेलल ब्रांचेस बिटवीन ए एंड बी एंड सी एंड ए. फाइन. एंड अल्टीमेटली यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट्स. ओके. सो ये हमारा एक डेल्टा हमने सॉल्व कर दिया है. फाइन. अभी ये डेल्टा एंड दूसरा डेल्टा कौन सा है? 5 ओम वाला. फाइन. 5 ओम वाला. तो यहाँ पर एक 5 ओम वाला भी हमारा एक रजिस्टर है, वो यहाँ पर है ऐसे. फाइन. सो सिमिलरली द अनदर विल बी हियर एंड द सिमिलर विल बी हियर. 5 ओम. एक 5 ओम का इधर भी है. सो सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट दिस काइंड ऑफ triangle ABC. Fine. Okay. And finally we can find, यहाँ पर एक और मुझे मिल जाएगा. Fine. Sorry. Yeah. एक रजिस्टर मिल गया मेरे को, A and B, and another register is parallel to this. चलो, ये 16.36 एंड 5 ओम पैरेलल, तो उसका पैरेलल वैल्यू कितना होगा फिर? 3.86 ओम. Is it okay? Is it okay, everyone? And what is the value here? Because it is the addition of these two. First of all, ये आपका होगा और ये होगा आपका
7.21.
So total 7.2 after addition.
7.21.
Okay, after addition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And finally,
7.
हाँ जी, yes. Finally, final answer कौन बताएगा फिर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, final answer is
2.49.
2.49. So between A and B, the total answer is 2.49 ohm. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it is very simple. So in in examination, if it is asked, first of all, you have to draw this diagram and simply you have to write that we are going to solve the inner delta DEF first of all, that is to be converted into star, fine. And then you have to draw these diagrams and you have to use the equations, find out the parameters, and then you have to draw the reduced diagram also. So this is the reduction of, conversion from delta to star, and finally the reduction of this delta. So please remove this one. This part is not required right now. Okay. So this is your reduction of network. So ये network यहाँ पे हो गया है. ये green वाला आपको दिखाना नहीं है यहाँ पर. ग्रीन वाला लाइन आपको दिखाना नहीं है अभी, क्योंकि ये सॉल्व करने के बाद होगा. ये स्टार जो ब्लू कलर का है उसको हम सॉल्व करने के बाद वो ग्रीन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. फाइन फाइन. सो उसके बाद ये आपका सॉल्यूशन आ गया है. ओके. सो द आंसर इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2.5 or 2.49 ohm. Okay. Now we have only 10 minutes. So I'll give you one more example, and then in the next theory class we will start with the new theory. Fine. So one more example I will give you, and this would be homework. This will be your homework. Okay. So okay. So please draw parallelly. Example number 2. Determine the current between or current in the resistor 17 ohm resistor in the network. Fine. Now let us draw the network. This is 4 ohm. Six ohm. 6 ohm. Here it would be 2 ohm. Right. And it is 17 ohm. 41 ohm. This is 15 ohm. 2 ohm again. Eleven ohm. Here it is 4 ohm. what is the question? The question is determine the current in the 17 ohm resistor. तो यहाँ पर करंट फाइंड करने के लिए पहले इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी कंप्लीट द सर्किट. The value of this battery is 115 volt. Okay, so here in this figure looks like little bit complicated circuit, but what I feel is this is a very simple network. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to identify delta and star here in this case, and series and parallel combinations. So looking at the first, we are going to find out the value between these two terminals. I just would like to mention with the red. Fine. तो ये दोनों को बीच में मेरे को पूरा रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करना होगा, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. एंड फिर वोल्टेज मुझे पता है, तो ये वोल्टेज डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस will give you the value of current flowing through this resistor. Fine. So मुझे यहाँ पर find करना है. Okay. So looking at this figure, first of all, we can reduce this network because say these 2 ohm and 4 ohm resistors are in series, because here there is no another third branch connected here. So we can consider that these two are connected in series. Fine. So let us reduce the network here. Okay. So in between हम figure draw करते हैं. I hope all of you have made this figure in your notebook. Okay. So first of all, this is 41 ohm. Here it is 6 ohm, and here it is 15 ohm. This one is 17 ohm. Okay. Here we can consider as 6 ohm, and this is the series combination of 2 plus 4, 6. So we can write it 6 here also. Fine. Similarly, we can write even one more value that is to be written here. So here 4 and 11 are also connected in series. Please. Fine. So we can draw this diagram like this also. So this is also 15 ohm. Please see here, it is 15 ohm because 11 plus 4, 15 ohm. Fine. And we can connect this 15 ohm resistor, this 15 ohm resistor even in this way also. So this is also 15 ohm. So यहाँ पर 15 ohm का एक ट्राइंगल हो गया, डेल्टा हो गया. So 15, 15 and 15. फाइन. तो ये 11 and प्लस, तो यहाँ पर जो पॉइंट मिला मेरे को वो बैटरी के साथ कनेक्टेड है. फाइन. So we can just convert this diagram in this way also. Battery is like this. Are you with me, all of you? Any questions so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
No,
so this is your
Yes.
solution. Somebody said yes. Any question? I just question that. Any question? Okay. So अभी इसके बाद आपको जो करना है वो अपने आप करना है. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So looking at the figure, there are two delta on the different sides. फाइन. तो आप नेम यू नेम्ड एज डिफरेंट. सपोज आपको ए बी के बीच में रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, फाइन, टोटल इक्विवेलेंट, बिकॉज वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस. You can give the name A, B, C or A, B, C, D and then E and F like this. Fine. Okay. So first of all, you need to resolve this A, D, E triangle, convert this delta into star. Fine. So you will find three different value here like this, the another value here and the another value here. Fine. And then remove these three. So convert delta into star here. Similarly, just convert delta into star here. Fine. And then finally you will get the reduced network. And after this reduced network, again, you find out series and parallel combinations, and ultimately you will find one more figure where there are two different parallel branch will be there in the solution. Fine. And finally you have to use the current divider rule, which is already been explained before. Fine. So using this current divider rule, you will find the current flowing through 17 ohm resistor branch. Fine. So this is homework. All of you need to solve this by today evening. And if you have any difficulties, if you find any difficulties in this example, we will solve in the next theory class. Fine. So here there are different examples are given in the books. Somebody asked me through a mail that, sir, what are the different books that we are going to use? I already conveyed the name of the different books. Number 1, Elements of Electrical and Electronics Engineering by Professor U.A. Patel. Professor U.A. Patel is a senior professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at Nirma University. And he has prepared this book by considering only Nirma students. Only Nirma students. So if you buy this book, and this book is also available in the library, fine. If you buy this book, the whole syllabus is covered in the book. And second book is Electrical Technology by B.L. Thareja. So B.L. Thareja is a professor in IIT Kanpur, and this Professor B.L. Thareja, where there are 4 volumes, volume 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to purchase volume 1. Volume 1. Okay. I think at the end of your course policy, I think we discussed the course policy also, where the syllabus is given. Fine. So let me open this. So in the course policy also, I think we have discussed this the very first lecture. What are the different books that we need to purchase? Okay, so here these are the suggested books for this course. Right? So you please take a screenshot of this, or either you can write down in your notebook also. So 2 books are very important for your understanding. Fine.
And so can we get online access to library?
Actually it is there, but right now, first of all, you will get the roll numbers, your original roll numbers and all the things. Then you will get the access of library. Fine. I do not know whether you are accessing this library with your these temporary numbers or not. But let me check first of all with the library. If it is, you can. But these books are not available because U.A. Patel, that is the book Element of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, is the first edition this year. Fine. And this is with Atul Prakashan, Ahmedabad. Fine. So might be the soft copy of all the books are not available with the library. Fine. Okay. So better and preferable condition is that you buy these books, or if you want for a temporary basis, you can even opt it from library also. Okay, so these are from my side. Any questions so far? Otherwise, we can stop this lecture here. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think the way I'm teaching, all of you can understand very easily. I'm just little
Yes, sir.
going slowly right now because there
Yes,
are
sir.
few students who are attending the first time these classes. Fine. So every year, every lecture, there are few more new students, and for them, I am just little going slowly. Fine, and then I'll pick up the speed. Fine. Okay. If you have any doubts, you may ask through mail also. You can send me a mail. I think different people have sent me a mail regarding their recording classes. Fine. So the recording classes available with me, I have already shared with everyone. Fine. And if you want the presentations or notes also, I can share. Fine. Okay. Thank you very much. You
Thank you,
may
sir.
leave the meeting now.
And so you will send the today's recording also.
Yes. Now onwards, because I have found that few students who are taking admissions recently, for them, now onwards I will send. Even previous 2 lectures I already shared with everyone. Fine. So today also I am going to share this lecture and even note also. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Welcome.